Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to quickly show you Autodesk Inventor version 2026. This software is widely used by people working in mechanical engineering, industrial design, and 3D part modeling. With it, you can design, assemble, and even simulate how machines and components work. It's perfect for engineers, technicians, designers, and students in the field. You can create a part from scratch, assemble it with others, and then generate a full technical drawing with all the measurements. It's a professional tool that anyone working in mechanics really needs to know. And the best part, everything is done with high precision, down to the millimeter, with advanced tools for complex analysis. You can also view everything in 3D, rotate the model, and inspect every single detail. Autodesk Inventor version 2026 even lets you run stress simulations and test your project before anything is built. If you want to know more, or if you're interested, just get in touch with me. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.